Right there, right there. Oh. Oh! That Merritt. Yeah. Oh, look at this! They're checking each other all over the place. They're playing sound hockey, I'll tell you. Oh. Yeah. Oh, Merritt. Come with love. Oh yeah. Oh, that was 3 on 2, 2 on 1. I don't think so. Oh, there goes the goalie stick. Oh, nice. Right there. That Wicca? No, Lafferty again. Oh.
I've done that.
Heads up, ladies. Oh, look at that. Just walked out to him. Yeah. Merritt. Little kid down there all by himself. No. Oh, Evan. You got that big old leg over there. Oh, God. Saw that one coming a mile away. Oh! Nice goal. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Set her up. Oh! Oh, fire. Oh, yeah. The old Wicca, Panchetti to Bruce, maybe? I don't know. Have to get them to tell us who scored that one. Oh, here we go. Shoot. Oh, Corey Kern. Oh my God. Yeah.
I have a feeling Jason let up because he knows kids in his team. So.
Yeah, that was the right thing to do.
Yeah.